Yo guys, in today's video we are going to be showing you how to change your steering wheel from this to this. Before we get into the video, I want to shout out our gaming channel, which is linked in the description. Here's a quick preview.
Civilian, guard over there.
Three bags and counting. We have what we came for, but there's no harm in sticking around to get more.
For all the gamers out there who like to see some action-packed racing or first-person gameplay, I suggest subscribing and checking it out. Right, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, we're going to be putting the steering wheel cover from the top to the side where these, you can see these texture grips, they're going to go on the side. So let's do that. Have to line it up as well. Now we're going to start stitching this up one by one. I followed the instructions on the manual that's been provided. This product will be linked in the description if you want it. Enjoy the time lapse as this took ages, but the results were worth it. Right, so it's all done. We've done the leather stitching. There's a bit of a mission to do, but we got there in the end. We'll show you the time lapse, all that stuff, how we did it. But yeah, I'm calling it quits right now.